McLaren has launched a more exclusive version of its 570 GT called the MSO Black Collection, which gets more standard kit and bespoke features from the McLaren Special Operations MSO division. Due in just 100 examples, it features MSO's titanium exhaust that is 5 kilograms lighter and less restrictive than the standard system. The car also gets McLaren's Sport Pack suspension as standard for sharpened handling. Inside, there are black semi-aniline leather and more durable leather material seats with Alcantara sections and a black Alcantara wrapped wheel. The exterior is finished in a black paint that's bespoke to MSO, while the key is also finished in a matching shade. No changes have been made to the 570 GTS powertrain, so it sticks with the Woking carmaker's twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V8 engine, providing the rear wheels with up to 562 bhp and 443 pounds-feet of torque via a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. McLaren design boss Rob Melville said of the new variant, black is a color associated with elegance, power and authority, whilst also surrounded by a certain air of mystery. The end result remains true to the luxurious nature of the 570 GT, but we managed to further amplify its sleek, sporty character with a wealth of new MSO-defined options which I am sure will delight discerning owners. Prices for the 570 GT MSO Black Collection start at £179.